Should I get a repair list and repair my house before I list a house? 100% and 110%, yes, you should. Now, a lot of the sellers opt out of this because they want to sell it as is. Again, we highly recommend that. We offer a pre-home inspections to the sellers so that way we could avoid the second negotiation in any sales that is out there. We offer this free when you list with us. What that allows us to do is actually give you a list from a third party so that way they can look at what another person would look at, especially a brand new buyer. That allows you to make the major repairs that needs to be done in the house so that way we don't have a second negotiation that would happen. Buyers and agents are looking for that. Why? Because they want to feel that they got something good, right? And they got some return on their investment, or they got a second negotiation that's happening. I hate that as a listing agent. As a buyer agent, I would love that. But as a listing agent, I don't recommend that at all. So spend the money if you're working with another agent, or have the agent cover it like we do. And on top of that, what allows you to do is also pick up the major problems. I'm going to give you 2 examples that happened. We were listing a property right now, and the furnace, we know that it was out. He wanted to list the property. I said, no, let's get it checked out. He thought it was going to be $10,000 or $15,000. We had our specialist go in. It was only $600 to repair everything. Same thing that happened to the garage. The garage was not going up and down, and he didn't use it for almost 2 years. We went inside with our specialist, and it was only costing about $700, which was the spring that they needed to kind of fix. Again, I highly recommend create a repair list. Get those repairs done before putting that the property. That will save you thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, if you're working with one of my team members, you're working with us at Your Real Estate Experts, we will cover that in the cost. Speak to your team members regarding that. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you.